Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I will be solving one problem from October LeetCode Challenge day 17. So let's go into the problem and let's see what the problem says. Okay, so it's here, it's called repeated DNA sequences. Okay, so it says all DNA is composed of series of nucleotides abbreviated as A, C, G and T. So for example, this whole string is a nucleotide, or sorry, a DNA, and which is consisting of these nucleotides of A, C, G, and T. When studying DNA, it is sometimes useful to identify the repeated sequences within a DNA. Write a function and find all 10-letter long sequences or substrings that occurs more than once in a DNA module. Okay, so let's go through this example. Here, a long DNA string is given and the output is coming as this one, because this whole 10 length string is consisting in this given input string twice. One is from here to here and another time is from here to here. So that's why this is coming into our answer, and this one also is present over here twice, from here to here and from here to here. That's why these two strings are coming into our answer. And similarly, we can see this whole thing is like consisting of only A's, so that's why this 10 A's coming twice, or more than twice, sorry, multiple times, so that's why it's coming into an answer. So the constraints given is 10 to the power 5, the maximum length, and SI consisting of only this 1, 2, 3, 4 characters. Okay, so now let me think. And okay, so how do I solve this problem is basically what we can do is we can generate all the like 10 length substrings of this particular given string and check if we already encountered this string or not. So here now the main trick in this problem is like choosing the right data structure, because we can keep or like check if we seen this uh, substring previously or not using two data structures. One is set, another is any kind of map or dictionary in Python. But if we use set, the problem will be what? Let me just walk through this example so you can understand. Like let's say this 10-letter string. So when we are using a set, which will only say that if this string is already seen or not. So first time this string is not seen, so we add that to our map. Sorry, again, we add that to our set. So after that, when the second time this string is encountered, we see that it is present in our map, so we put that string in our answer list. That is okay. After that, whenever this string again, let's say, comes after some time, then again it will be found in our set. So will we need to add that particular substring again into our answer, because it's already added, right? So using set, what will happen is if we are already seen that twice, then we are adding it to our answer. And if after that, if the third time it's seen, we don't need to add it to our answer because it's already added. So using a set simply, we cannot keep track of the count. So for keeping track of the count, we will need what? A dictionary or hash map in Java also you can say. So that's the main trick over here in this problem. So we will be using a dictionary. So let's write this code. So first of all, I will be making a list, empty list. So let's call it repeated subsequence, and it will be empty. And the end of the function, we will be returning this variable itself, repeating subsequence. So now inside here, I will be writing the logic. So first of all the strings I will be checking, all the substrings of length 10. So first of all, I will be initializing a variable called I equals to 0, and I will be running through a while loop where I will be checking if I plus 10 is less than 0, sorry, less than equals to length of the given string. It's called s. Okay, so like this. So I will be keep on checking the 10 characters. So first of all, this 10 will be this much, then I will be incremented, so the 10 will be this much. So it will keep on going until the I plus 10 hits the last position or the length of the given string. So now we will be keeping a track of the substring which we are encountering of length 10. So we will be using list comprehension, or sorry, list slicing rather. or string slicing we can say. So it will be from I to I plus 10. So this will be our first substring. So now we will be keeping track of this in a dictionary. So for that we will need a dictionary. Let's call it scene dictionary. Okay, so here first of all I will be putting the value of that particular subsequence here in the scene dictionary. So first of all I will be checking if this already present in our scene or not. So if it's already present in our scene, we will be getting the value of this subsequence, or else we will get default value as 0, and whatever value we get we add +1 to it. So this is how we are keeping track of it. Okay, so after that here I will be writing one if condition. If the scene dot get of subsequence is equals to 2. I'm not saying that greater than equals to 1 or greater than 1, because why I have just explained, because at second time if I'm adding it to our answer, we don't need to actually add it the third time we encounter it. So we will be only checking if it's present twice, then it's good to go for our answer. We don't need to add it multiple times whenever next we see it again. Okay, so whenever it's 2, then we add it to our answer. So the answer list is called what? Repeated subsequence dot append whatever the subsequence we got over here, and after that at each iteration we will be incrementing I obviously by 1. So this is the simple logic of this program. Now let's go and run it. Okay, so we see it's coming out to be correct, and let me submit it now, and it's accepted. Okay, so now let me talk about the time and space complexity of this program. So the time complexity will be big of n, because the length of each substring is constant here, which is 10, and we are just linearly traversing through this whole string taking this 10 length substring into consideration. So first this much, then this much. This is like a sliding window technique. So the time complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity will also be big O of n, because we will be getting what? N into 10, this many number of substring, because like from here to here we get one substring, then from here to here another 10 length substring, so like this. So it will be again big O of n space complexity. So this is how we have to solve this problem called repeated DNA sequences. So I hope you understood this problem and how to solve this. So if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you.